Alright, boys and girls, so today we were talking about how to order fractions from smallest to largest, and we also talked about finding a fraction of a number. So I'm going to do a couple of examples for you, and hopefully that'll help you out with your homework tonight. The first thing we're going to look at is how do we order fractions when we have different denominators. We have 1/3, 1/6, and 3/4. Remember, what we're going to do is we're going to try and find a common denominator for all of those, and then that's the surefire way of making sure that they are in order from smallest to largest. So if we look here, we have a 3, a 6, and a 4. So I've got to say to myself, what number is divisible by all of those? And I'm going to say 12. So now I'm going to go, this is equal to 12, this is equal to 12, and this is equal to 12. Remember, whatever we do to the top, we also have to do to the bottom. So 3 times what gives me 12? I have 4. 1 times 4 is there. 6 times 2 gives me 12. 1 times 2 is there. And then 4 times what gives me 12? That's 3, is 9. So now I have 3 equivalent fractions with the same denominator. I have 4/12, I have 2/12, and I have 9/12. We'll get rid of this here. So if I put those in the correct order, 1/6 would be first, and then 1/3, and then 3/4. So remember, when putting fractions in order, try and get common denominators and then do it. If we come over here to 3/4 of 16, remember what we have to do is we have to divide this first. So 4 into 16 goes 4 times. And then we have to simply multiply 3 times 4, which is equal to 12. So 3/4 of 16 is equal to 12. Down here I have 2/3 of 21. I have to say to myself, what? 3 times what gives me 21? And that is 7. So I'm going to cross that out and make it a 7. 2 times 7 equals 14. So 2/3 of 21 is equal to 14. So just to recap, okay, equivalent fractions or comparing fractions, smallest to largest, get them into equivalent. And then down here, make sure you're dividing first and then multiplying. Have a great night, and make sure you do all of your homework, and we'll see you tomorrow.